dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki has said the reason why he fell apart with Adams Oshiomhole. In the Edo State governorship election, PDP hails court judgment on Asui Ighodalo's candidacy. Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to Reality the Test Gist. As we are giving a back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. So if today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining. So my people, may we dive into the main story. The Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki said that one of the problems his administration has with the former governor of the Edo State, Senator Adams Oshiomhole, was that he organized this burial for the People Democratic Party leader, Chief Tony Adeni. Obaseki disclosed this while presenting the party's candidate, Asui Ighodalo, and his running mate, Osaro Doje, to the people of East and North East local government area of Edo State. As of the time of the burial, Obaseki was still with the APC. Though his relationship with Adams Oshiomhole was strained, both had fallen out over party and governance issues. Speaking to party supporters at Opuje Demonstration Primary School, Uromi, Obaseki said that the former governor, Senator Adams Oshiomhole, questioned the rationale behind his organizing a state burial for the deceased. So he said when Chief Tunanini died, that he gave him a state burial as an APC member, and this is one of the things that caused problem between Adams Oshiomhole and him. Adams Oshiomhole said that since Anini was not an elected official, why would Governor Godwin Obaseki give him a state burial? But Governor Godwin Obaseki replied that Tonanini had done more than many governors, so he deserved it. That before coming here to campaign, that he went to Tonanini's village to pray and to thank him for what he did for the Eastern land, Edo State and Nigeria. So he said Edo must be united, and to achieve this, every part of Edo State must produce a governor. Edo North and South have produced, and it's time for Eastern people to produce the governor. So it's left for them to deliver him. The governor charged the people to embark on massive campaign after the rally to mobilize and get more voters in readiness of the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. So speaking about the rally and the campaign that is coming up in 21st September 2024, the candidate of People Democratic Party said Uromi is stronghold of PDP and capital of Eastern land, noting that stronger politicians have emerged from Uromi. So he said Obaseki has done so much for Edo people in terms of road, hospital, healthcare, sports. So those he couldn't finish, that he's going to complete them. APC policies have continued to remove money from their pocket and increase their suffering and hardship, but they are coming in to bring better life for Edo people. The former chairman of Eastern North East local government area, John Yakubu, said that the council area had verified over 4,000 canvassers who carry the party messages of prosperity and growth to the people. So they are ready in this forthcoming governorship election to give their support to Asui Ighodalo. Obaseki don talk say wetin make two of them fall apart be say im go organize state burial for Tonanini, and moreover when he organized the state burial for Chief Tonanini, that he was not in PDP, but he declared a state burial for him because of his contribution to their state and Nigeria. So this was one of the things that created issue between him and Adams Oshiomhole, who never wanted it. So Governor Godwin Obaseki said that he considered it as an unforgivable sin which he could not overlook. But he has to do what is good because they are all one in Edo State. And that is why he's here today, for Edo to be one and united. Obaseki added by saying that the candidate the APC brought was a Benin man, and that the APC never believed in an Eastern governorship agenda or an Eastern man becoming a governor until it don't dawn on them. They quickly, hurriedly packaged one through the back door and presented it as their candidates. But he knows say it doesn't work that way. So they beg people of Edo State that they should come out in mass and vote for Dr. Asui Ighodalo. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying curious. Moving on to the next one. Democratic Party has celebrated a significant judicial victory with the Court of Appeal recent decision affirming the eligibility of Dr. Asui Ighodalo, the candidate for the September 21st governorship election. PDP in their statement on Friday, signed by their National Publicity Secretary Debo Olugunagba, hailed the court ruling On Friday, it was reported that Abuja Division of the Court of Appeal dismissed an appeal from Edo State PDP governorship aspirant Author ACN and Aslem Ojezu, who sought to disqualify the party candidate Asu Ihodalo. So the appeal aimed to overturn an April 17, 2024 Federal High Court judgment by Justice James Omotosho, which had dismissed their case as statute barred. So the Court of Appeal, led by Justice Hammer Baka, upheld the earlier decision, ruling that the suit was filed too late. So he called it a major win for the people of Edo State, reinforcing their collective will and aspirations. It was titled Voters Card. PDP celebrates appeal court judgment affirming Ihodalo's eligibility. So the party described the judgment as a triumph of truth over the alleged misinformation and propaganda from the All Progressive Congress. The party described the appeal court judgment, which established the authenticity of Dr. Asu Ihodalo's INEC voters card, as another triumph of truth over APC's lies, falsehood, and propaganda. Also, the PDP criticized the APC attempt to disrupt Ihodalo's candidature through numerous case courts, which they claim were designed to distract them from the party perceived weaknesses. The PDP further contended that the APC candidate Mondo Obolo is inadequately positioned to match Ihodalo's appeal, that the procurement of the appeal court, that the litigation against Dr. Asue Ihodalo was bereft of merit and based on flawed assumption, further validate the position of the PDP that the several court cases instituted against Dr. Asue Ihodalo were contrived, frivolous, and only aim at distracting their candidates and the People Democratic Party. In response to the Court of Appeal's decision, the PDP suggested that the APC and their candidates reconsider their position in the race. The party commended the Edo State electorate for their continued support and encouraged them to stay vigilant as the election approached. Though today's judgment of the Court of Appeal has therefore practically brought the APC to their knees. Now, PDP they talk said the candidate of the APC, Mondo Bobolo, and his propaganda machine led by Adams Oshomole, they should cancel themselves because it is not too late for the APC to withdraw from the governorship race. Alright, my wonderful people, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying curious. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also forward to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment your next. Bye for now.